welcome back to my channel. So this week's gonna be chaos, isn't it? Well, where have I been? I've been on a holiday, because every now and then I deserve a holiday. I do have a life outside of this place. You don't know? You don't know that I actually have like friends, a livelihood, a house that I go to every now and then. I sleep there sometimes. I actually shower there too. So this week we've got a lot to do. We've got YouTube filming, we've got to do promo emails for the course for Propsyland, we've got studio hire, we've scheduled Pinterest, we've got multiple photo shoots actually. We've got a mix between retainer and one-off clients. We've got nails that we've got to do, like a nail product. We've actually got a photo shoot with a vibrator company. We've never done this before, so that should be interesting. Hopefully everyone can be mature. I'm looking at you.
We're doing a shoot with what?
I actually told my nan that we were doing a shoot. I was like, you will never believe that I'm doing a shoot for vibrator. She's like, Jessie, where's your decorum? That's vulgar. I was like, man, it's all about women's health. Like, get over it. But I guess you'll see everything that goes on throughout the week, and I'll show you the good, the bad, the ugly, and the chaos. So let's get started.
How's it going, boss?
Not bad. It's good to be back from my little hiatus.
Any updates of the week? What's coming up?
I don't know what I'm doing today. That's a good point. Oh, yes, I got to sort out talent. We got a couple of big shoots coming up. That's the big thing I have to do today.
Nice.
I have to sort out about 7 talent. I'll let you know how it all goes.
Yeah, cool. Thanks.
No worries. Oh, Jesus.
Sorry.
Hey!
Hi. Yeah, what you filming?
So we're filming our first YouTube for today, and it is 5 things that you should know about being a commercial photographer.
And what are
Because there's a lot. I'm a very wise person. What are they?
Yeah, what's
Well, you have to watch the video to find out. I'm not going to give it away.
Look at this. The confidence on her.
Oh my god.
It's great for this video.
The goat, self-proclaimed.
You know what?
Huge claim.
This isn't even too long ago. This was probably like, I want to say a year ago. Right, so very recent. She made like some sort of post, and one of her friends from ages ago wrote Jessie the goat. And Jessie looked at me and she was like, why would he call me a goat? And I was like, dead set.
Thank you, whoever said that.
And now here she is.
So as your big creative sis, I'm industry, far out. Why can't I say the word? Industry, fuck that word. Well, commercial photography, I think that's it. I think that's it. I hate being ambitious.
Oh wow.
I've got a headache.
We just had your lunch.
Had me poke bowl, they gave me bloody tomatoes. I didn't ask for tomatoes.
How did the filming go?
I'm exhausted. Like, I don't think I'm cut out for this. I'm too old. I'm tired. I might need a little energy drink. I might go get myself a little Celsius drink. Not sponsored, but you could if you wanted to. Just gonna go get a Celsius. Good boy. Yep, it's home time almost. What time is it?
actually is.
Time is it?
It's 5:53.
Is it
5:53. 4:53.
Oh,
Sorry. Hold on. How do I turn this around?
the joystick. Push it 3.
Whoa.
What hairstyle have you got going on today?
Oh, is it really bad?
Show me. Oh, that's really cute.
I'm just too busy working hard, you know? Can't really.
What are you working on?
Oh, just some. Oh, that's really
was
good
that
filming.
private?
That. Yeah, this is private.
Yeah, so we're all exhausted. Poor Lauren over there, where is she? Had to put up with me stuttering all day long for our YouTube, but she puts up with it, which is good. What else can I report on? I wonder what, let's guess what everyone's gonna wear. Kim will be in her jeans and her jandals. Paige will be in a blazer. Lauren will wear something maroon. And I reckon that Maddie's gonna have some comfier shoes on. And I reckon she'll be in pants as well. Who am I missing? Flynn. Flynn will be in his FJC shirt. Uzi's not predictable at all.
What did you say I was going to wear?
You wear the same thing every day. You're basically Homer Simpson.
Okay, Bart Simpson.
That too. What are those? Hold on. What are those?
Alright guys, we're going home. Are we going home?
Day 1 done. Let's go home. I'm actually gonna go home, have an early shower, and get into bed. I don't even think I want dinner. I think I might just have cereal for dinner.
You just had that last night.
Shh.
Alright. Alright. See you later, guys.
See you tomorrow.
Good morning. Tuesday.
What's that smell, by the way?
Exactly.
I know.
We've walked into this friggin' studio and it stinks. Now, I'm trying to find a lighter to make it smell better. Got the goods.
If you want to actually call.
Hey!
What is up, my guy?
What is up, my guy?
This is the best investment ever. All right, what's your morning looking like?
We've got a content day today.
Woohoo!
So me and Paige are going to be looking at that, but we're going to start with the brief and some emails and all those sort of things. So
Yeah, big day. Lovely. What is your day looking like, Jess?
chaos.
As always.
I'm going down to film another YouTube video now, and then I've got to come back up here and work on the shoot. I've also got free-touching stuff that just got delivered, so I need to deliver that to clients. And there's bloody emails coming out of our ears. That's fine. It's all good.
Nothing too much then. Yeah. What are you up to today, Flynn?
Bit of bloom.
Yeah.
Bit of nail shops.
Oh,
Get
yeah.
my nails ready now.
Are you going to use the nails?
I don't think I've got pretty enough hands for that one. But I'll leave that to Kim and Alzina. for
Yeah, lovely. What's going on here?
Hello.
Digging through.
Yeah, trying to find some little jewelry pieces.
Yeah, cute.
Stylized with,
Lovely.
and then put some nails on, and do some headshots.
Stunning. Hey, Loz. What are you up to today?
So much YouTube stuff. I'm about to go down and film a video with Jessie, and then I have like 4 videos to edit.
Oh, stunning.
Yes.
Yeah.
So I'm stacked, which is good.
Hey, it is a content day today. I'm helping out Maddie. And I've also been away for like 2 weeks, so I need to get up our TikToks, get a bank going there. Big catch up, I think. Okay, I should probably actually do some work myself now, lol. We've got a full house upstairs today. We've got Alzina being our hand model, so she's popping on some nails. And then we've got 2 stations happening here. Kimbo's working with Alzina, and then we've got Jess and Flynn on the other station. Let's go see what the girls are doing. I can see the lights are on. What you looking for?
So on our YouTube, every time I sit down to talk, we've got a random prop.
Oh, okay.
I'm just figuring out what the random prop today.
Yeah.
What about the duck?
Is that even a question?
I want it to get like increasingly.
All right, how are we feeling? Good. Beautiful.
Ready to
I'll
roll.
get you later.
Okay. Kimbo's got her head down over here. It's really hot in here. How's it going?
My nails are mine. We're all having a little come down because someone nearly broke something. I'm twitching on the inside.
I'm gonna lose my job.
My words.
Oh.
She's losing a job. I've lost my words.
But it's okay. Safe and sound. So we actually thought this camera died for a second, which was really scary. But Hoosie brought it back to life.
It's just what I did.
Yes, this is why
solve
he's here.
problems around here.
And he does some finance things.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's me.
So back to the content day we go.
hi.
Hiya, babes.
Hiya.
Lovely.
Welcome to our studio.
Oh, isn't that lovely? It's actually clean for once, guys. Look. You guys would not believe we've actually broken all of our tripods in the studio, like phone tripods in the studio, which is super annoying when we're literally content creators. So sometimes you just have to get a little bit crafty. This is our DIY tripod setup. Essentially, this is the situation because someone broke the tripod. What do we got? Delivery.
Loads of blends.
Ooh. What's been happening, Hoosie? Big
Not
day?
a whole lot, actually. Just
No.
Putting out fires everywhere.
Yep,
you
yep.
know?
Flynn's been dying to paint his nails too.
Day 2 done, boss.
Day 2 done.
How was your day?
Only started the week.
Yeah, I know.
A lot happened
Yeah.
within a day. Had to get home and go to bed early.
Yeah.
What's going on?
Say goodbye to the vlog. Day 2 done.
See you later, guys.
Bye.
See you
And I'll get a
Wednesday.
bye from you too.
Well,
Loves.
did you tell them about how you guys broke the digicam?
Yes, I have.
Oh, you did?
Yeah, don't worry. I've briefed them in. How rude, Kimbo. You gotta say goodbye.
Oh, bye, my guys.
Bye. See you day 3. Caught red-handed. What the hell was that?
Can you shake my toes?
No, you're good.
Okay.
The dogs are infected.
Dogs around.
Real for that.
See.